Hello friends, I'm Dr. Bhavna Bharadwaj and welcome to Divine Miracles. Today I'm going to introduce a very powerful healing technique which we do in Theta Healing. When we learn Theta Healing, we learn this technique. But I was guided today that I should discuss this with you, I should tell this with you so that you can also practice this and heal yourself at a deeper level. Heal the sadness, the sorrow, the pain, the hurt that you're holding in you. At the deeper level, it can be released, and more happiness and more joy can be downloaded into you and can come into your life, right? So, this technique is known as heart song. All my friends who are theta healers know very well that how to do this technique, but my friends who are not known to theta healing, who are not knowing the technique of healings, I would like to explain to them that how to do this. And if you want, you can just be with me, follow this process and allow yourself to heal, right? So this technique you have to do on your own, but I will be guiding you with the process. I will be telling you the steps. And just a small introduction that this healing exercise was introduced by Vina Stibel, Vina, long back when she got theta healing in her life. After that, she had few heart issues. So doctors she went for a checkup and doctor suggested that your heart is weak and you have to go for a surgery. And with this thought, the Vina was not at all happy because she never wanted to go for a surgery. Before the surgery, she was teaching theta healing to few people, and few students in her class were musicians. They used to play instruments. So after the class got over, they were sitting and the few students were playing instruments. Beautiful music was coming out. In that energy, Vina got connected to the creator and she started singing a tone, humming a tone. And that tone was so powerful, was so relaxing that it started to shift her energies from inside. It started to heal her from inside. And not only her, even all the students who were there in the room, they started to feel that power. They started to feel that shift of energy in them. Like, few students were crying, few students were feeling that some sadness is just going away. All this process was happening. Till next day, Vina was not knowing that exactly what has happened. When she went to the hospital and she got admitted for the surgery, before that doctor scanned her, did her test and all. And then they came to know that her heart is completely healed. It is perfectly normal. It's perfectly fine and healthy. They were surprised that what happened, what miracle happened. So Vina then got this guidance that the exercise which she did a day before actually healed her heart, right? And like this, the heart song was introduced. Creator told her that this is the heart song, this is a technique, and if you do this technique, then you heal your heart, you heal all the stored emotions, negative emotions in your heart. And once those emotions are healed and released, new emotions and new feelings can come in, of happiness, of joy, of peace, of harmony, of love, of acceptance, of compassion, forgiveness, anything, right? But first, it is very important for us to heal ourselves and release the negativity that we are holding into us. And as we are energy beings, so we hold our emotions, plus we also take emotions from our ancestors, right? The negative emotions, their story, their pain, their trauma, we take that through DNA, through energy. We also take from the land that we are staying on, right? So we take a lot of energy from the land, and especially these days when all this negative situation is going around on the entire earth, everyone is open to get involved into that. So this exercise will help you to heal those energies from you and make you more healthy, make you more safe, make you more protected. So just allow yourself to be in that space and allow yourself to heal. I will tell you the entire process. I will take you through the entire journey. And then when we are into that process, I will leave you so that you can take your own time. You can give yourself time to heal. It can be 10 minutes process, it can be half an hour, it can be 1 hour or more, depending on person to person. So once you are done, just once you're done with the process, ground yourself, put your feet on the ground and just feel that all your energies are grounding back into Mother Earth very strongly. Have some water, and during the process, if you sleep, it's also fine, it's perfectly okay. When you get up, you can just drink water and ground yourself. And before I start with the technique, I'll start with the process. Let me give you a quick download so that you understand and you open yourself to this healing process. So would you like to know that how to do a heart song? Would you like to know that the process of heart song is very powerful to heal your stored negative and toxic emotions, feelings in you? Would you like to know that a heart song can actually heal your heart and open your heart to love, to compassion, to new energies, to great health and great life? Would you like to know that how to do this easily and effortlessly through the definition, perspective and highest truth of the creator of all that is? Knowing that you're allowed to do this, you're ready for it, it is safe for you, it is possible for you, and you're worthy and deserving for this. Would you like to know what it feels like to have this wisdom in you and use this in a right way? If you say yes, then I would ask Creator to download this energy into you and teach you at all the levels, at the core, genetic, history and soul level, across time and space, across all lifetimes, across all the levels and planes of your existence, in your cells, in your DNA, in your genes, in all the languages, in your aura, in your chakras, in your energy body, your physical body, your emotional body, your mental body and your spiritual body, in your higher self, in your soul, in your Akashic and karmic records, in your life plan, your life script, your life purpose, your life journey, and in your divine timing. So just take a deep breath in and allow this energy, this wisdom to come into you. And now we will start with the process. So if you want, you can just lie down so that you can completely merge into this energy. Take a deep breath in and relax yourself fully and completely. Inhale through nose and exhale through mouth. And once again, take a deep breath in. Inhale through nose and exhale through mouth. And as you start relaxing yourself, your mind, your body becomes calm, becomes balanced, and you start to feel more relaxed. Once again, take a deep breath in and release. Now, just bring all your concentration on your feet and just see a white energy from the Mother Earth entering into your body from the soles of your feet, relaxing your feet, relaxing your ankles. It further moves up and relaxes your calf muscles, your knees, your thighs, your hips, further moves up and relaxes your abdomen and releases all the stress, anxiety that you're holding on to in your spine. It is just releasing. You're becoming more and more relaxed. It moves up into your chest and onto your shoulders, and slowly this energy moves up from your fingers, from your hands, from your elbows, and meets up to the energy on your shoulders. And this whole energy now relaxes your entire torso, and it further moves up from your neck, relaxing your neck, your face, your facial muscles, your jaw muscles, your eyebrows, your eyelids, and further moves up and relaxes your scalp. The hair on your scalp is completely relaxed. Now your whole body is completely merged with this light and is completely relaxed. It further moves out from your scalp, taking a shape of a ball, a beautiful ball, energy ball. And now you see yourself inside this ball. As you see yourself inside this ball, just take a deep breath in. And now this ball starts moving up, crossing all the layers of your building, going up higher and higher into the clouds, going up higher and higher, and you feel totally relaxed, safe and protected in this ball. And now you see yourself in the universe. It is vast, it is huge, and it's full of abundance. Beautiful lights, beautiful stars, galaxies, and different energies are there. And you feel completely safe and protected, and you feel so happy seeing the universe. But today we have to go up, so your ball will keep moving up, 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 crossing the layers of universe, going up higher and higher, entering into a white light, crossing white light and dark light, white light and dark light, and many layers of white light and dark light you will keep crossing, still going up, 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 higher and higher. And now you will enter into a bright yellow light, golden yellow light, like just a sunlight. It is very bright, but it will not harm your eyes, it will not hurt your eyes. You will feel relaxed. You will feel as if you're back home. You might see Jesus, you might see Buddha, you might see angels, masters and guides over here, your ancestors over here. But today, just take the blessings, as we have to go up higher and higher and merge with the energy of Creator. So it will just keep moving up higher and higher, and slowly you will cross this layer and you will enter into a jelly-like substance. And you will now feel that your ball is disappear and you are into this jelly-like substance. Now you are swimming and crossing this jelly-like substance. You will feel completely safe, secure and excited, because this jelly-like substance is full of different rainbow colors, full of different shapes. This is the plane of different laws. Law of cause and effect, law of time, law of music, where we will come right now for the healing, law of compassion, law of forgiveness, law of magnetism. Everything is here, each and every law is here. But still we will go up higher today. First we will go and connect with the Creator, and then we will come back over here. So keep moving up higher, 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 higher. And now you will feel that the jelly-like substance is also disappearing and you are merging into a white tingling light. It's a very soft, gentle light, and you will start merging with that. First your head, now your shoulders, and your now whole body is merged into that white tingling light. Over here you will not see any image. Over here you will not feel any body. It's only a pure essence of light. So just in your mind, just tell that I am never separate. I am always one with the Creator of all that is. I am never separate. I am always connected to the Creator of all that is. I am part of all that is. Take a deep breath in and just feel merging with this light, as if the sugar dissolves in the milk and becomes one. Similarly, we dissolve into the Creator's unconditional love and become one. Take a deep breath in and release. Now, ask Creator of all that is, it is requested that I be taken to the law of music, and from there I be given a tone which is going to heal my heart, which is going to heal all the stored, painful, sad, sorrow, memories and experiences and feeling of mine and of my ancestors or of the land. Let the healing be done in the highest and best way, for my highest and best. Thank you. It is done, it is done, it is done, and so it is. Creator, show me. And now very softly and gently, with the energies of Creator, you are merged into that energy. You will come down. Very slowly and gently you will enter into the law of music. You will request the law of music to give you a tone, and once you receive that tone, you will very softly and gently, with that tone, you will come down, enter your body, in your heart, and you will start singing that tone or humming that tone. For example, it can be something like this. Anything of this sort of tone you will get. Allow yourself to do this process. During this process, you might feel that a lot of emotions are releasing, are going. Allow them to go. Allow them to release. If you feel like crying, do that. Just allow yourself to be without any overthinking, without any analyzing. Just allow this process to happen. And now I will leave you with this process, with the Creator's energy with you. After this process is done, if you feel like sleeping, do that. Just ground yourself, put your feet on the Mother Earth, on the ground, have some water, feel that your energies are going deep down in the Mother Earth, and you're grounding yourself back into Mother Earth. And after that, you can enjoy your day. Also, leave me a feedback. How did you feel? Did this really help you? Were you able to do this properly? Or did you break the process somewhere? Were you blocked somewhere? Let me know how you felt. And if you were able to do that, then what shift did you felt? And if you were able to if you were not able to complete the process, then how can I help you, with this healing? Just give me a feedback, right? So just have a blessed day, enjoy this healing, and have a wonderful time. Thank you. God bless you.